Today we are starting with vagina. The vagina is a large, median, elastic, muscular structure. It extends from the cervix of the uterus to the outside of the body. The vagina opens to the exterior by an aperture known as vaginal orifice. It has many functions. It allows menstrual flow. It serves as the birth canal during parturition, means delivery of young one. External genitalia. The female external genitalia, collectively known as vulva. It has many parts: mons pubis, vestibule, labia majora, labia minora, clitoris and perineum. Mons pubis. It is fleshy elevation above the labia majora. Vestibule. This is the depression in front of the vestibule. Labia majora. There are two outer large thick folds of boundary of vulva. This part contains numerous sebaceous glands. Labia minora. These are two inner, smaller, thin, moist, fleshy folds of skin between the labia majora. It also contains sebaceous gland. Clitoris. It is a small organ at the anterior junction of labia minora. Perineum. This is the area present between anus fauciae. This is the fusion of labia minora. Accessory gland. A pair of vestibular or Bartholin gland occur one on each side of vaginal orifice. Function of female reproductive system: production of egg and providing an environment for fertilization. Nourishment to the baby at the prenatal stage and postnatal stage. Prenatal stage means when the baby or embryo is inside the mother's womb or uterus. Postnatal means when baby comes out of the body of the mother. Onset of puberty in human female. Onset means starting. Human female attains puberty after the age of 13 years. At this time, anterior lobe of pituitary begins the production of FSH, that is follicle stimulating hormone. The FSH promotes the growth of ovarian follicle. The ovarian follicle secretes the hormone estrogen from the follicle cells in the ovary. This hormone brings about growth and maturation of reproductive tract and development of secondary sexual characters. Means just like growth of breast, initiation of menstrual cycle, ovulation, etc. Disorders of female reproductive system. Sterility. It is an inability of female to conceive due to inadequate in structure or function of genital organ. Menstrual irregularity. This may be due to failure of ovulation or some other anatomical factor. Menarche. It is the beginning of menstruation or first menstruation is called menarche. The beginning of menstruation varies. It generally occurs between the age of 12 to 15. Today, whatever I have taught you, I am sending you its PDF. Thank you.